good it is to be at home in the shelter of your love, where fear is cast away, and you're the one I'm thinking of. But there are days of silence, locked doors and aching heart, when peace feels far away and everything falls apart. But then you come, you walk through walls inside of me. With wounded hands you make me see. My home is the Lord, my shelter, my peace. Even without seeing, I know you never cease. My Jesus is risen, death is no more. You are the place I belong, forever my Lord. Thomas had his doubts, like I have mine too. But grace reached out and brought him close to you. Your glory